Hi, meet my number blocks 21 to 30. Let's find them from this pile. I see number block 21. Number block 21. 21. He loves to explore. Green and a rainbow hat, can you see? 21, 21. Number block 21. Let's find number block 22. I see it. This is number block 22. 22 is 11 times 2. A blue and a red eye is playing football. Number block 22. Let's find number blocks 23. 23. I'm number block 23 and I'm a prime number. Number block 23. You know what it is? Number block 23. 20 plus 3. Number block 23 is a prime number. Woohoo! This is number block 23. Let's find number block 24. Woohoo, woohoo! 24, 24. It's coming in a super rectangle. Super duper rectangle. 24. See it? It's a super duper rectangle. It's a 3 by 8. 8 by 3. 24. Let's put number block 24 on the side. Let's find number block 25. Can you see number block 25? Where is it? Peekaboo, I'm here. It's peach and blue. Number block 25. 5 times 5, special square. 5 times 5, high 5 is 25. High 5, high 5, 25, high 5, 25. Let's find number block 26. Here it is. 6 purple blocks and 20 peach blocks. I'm 26. I'm 26. A secret super special agent. 26. 26. With glasses and a tie. 26. A cool hat and a number link. Number block 26. Let's find number block 27. 27. This is number block 27. I'm a cube. Number block 27. 3 times 3 times 3. Look at me. Number block 27. Look at my cube badge over here. And the 7 rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. 27. Let's find number block 28. 28. Look at me, I'm 28. I can make some shapes. Look at this, a tower with windows, 11 tall, 11 tall. 3 wide, 3 wide. Now, let's do the sing-along. 28, 28. Look at all my shapes. 28. Look at me swim. Look at me fly. 28 is the shape maker. Come on, let's find number block 29. 29. 29 has a passion for clubs. Look at his clubs. The Roaring 20s, the Prime Numbers Club, made of Ones Club, the Nine Enders Club, and the Odd Blocks Club. And now 30, 30, 30, 30, with a crown. And she's entertaining with some juggling balls in the show. Look at here. The crown and 30 is in the show. 30, 30, 30. Such a big entertainer, 30. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.